Web-friendly image formats are JPEG, BMP, GIF. These are all web-friendly formats. GIF is one of the most popular format that can be used in the web. Basic drawing, animation and line art can be created with this. The display of the best format with the help of an image in the background can be done with the help of GIF. PNG is another popular format for the web. It produces good quality image with small file size. Internet Explorer 3 cannot support PNG format. These days, most browsers are supporting PNG, but some designers still resort to GIF so that user with outdated browser can also use it. At the same time, recent file browsers like Internet Explorer 6 and above is also not supporting PNG by not displaying the transparency files properly. JPEG file format is the old and still popular one for images with gradients and color blends. It is ideal for the image with good colors and complex content, photograph with high quality. Now, I would like to tell and talk about some non-web friendly image formats. As non-web friendly format has following features. There is no native support by the web browser to this format. No compression of the graphical data is done by the non-web friendly formats. Data cannot be compressed by default by these. Inefficient methods are done for compression of data, resulting in compromising image quality. Irrelevant information is given by such kind of format and display it on the monitor. They cannot give additional information for display on monitor. At times, these format also show a space issue by taking larger chunk of your disk space. TIFF images are primarily example of non-web friendly format. Web browser are yet to support them. A plugin visual is required to read them. The compression of TIFF cannot be done by default. TIFF is a popular in publishing market. Alternative color space like CMYK are used in this format. TIFF also contains details of printing like spacing, layout, density. There are certain disadvantages of TIFF images. BMP images are also unsuitable for the internet. The compression of graphical data is not done by BMP. The specified compression of RLE is not much used these days. Even if the use of RLE is popular, this can result in bad quality compression ratio. The size of saved BMP images are also quite large. BMP images consist hundreds of kilobytes are only 10 of kilobyte when saved as a PNG or JPEG. Since BMP files eat your disk space, people normally tend not to use it widely. XBMP is another most unsuitable file format available on the internet these days. XBMP is one of the oldest file format. It was used in the Mosaic web browser, even if other web browsers started to support XBMP. It is considered as one of the worst to use image file format. The basic issue with XBMP starts with interface property itself. There are valid C codes for every XBMP file. The C code define a byte array and the bytes. Larger security holes are created by XBMP format. Security flaws are also shown by XBMP file format. Buffer overflow, heap overflow, uninitialized memory leakage are some of the major pitfalls of XBMP. As a security issue heaped, Microsoft decided to remove the support given to XBMP. It was back in 2008 in its XP Service Pack 2. Firefox browser had reportedly faced security issues while using XBMP file images. Image distribution in various platforms. We know that still images float from one platform to another. No image is seen exclusively in web platform. Images are transformed from one platform to another, owing, owing to increased internet traffic in smart devices like tablet, smartphone, wearable devices like a smartwatch. It is crucial to optimize images in this world of multiple devices. Always make sure to resize image optimized for the device. The device may have more pixel density like computer monitors or less like in case of low-end mobile phones. Always ensure the viewport dimension of the other device. Viewport is the total window area visible to the viewer on the web browser or on the device. For example, the viewport dimension can be 1280 pixel or 640 pixels or 320 pixel wide. Remember, the users with lower bandwidth of the internet, for spotty or low connectivity, we can employ several techniques like sending a low resolution image first, or several splicing technique could be used. In a responsive environment, the image size would be displayed on horizontal or vertical viewing. Different device may have different dimension. Maintain the aspect ratio of image to the device it will be screened on. Hope you have a good time learning about still images. Thank you for listening.